Okay, guys, welcome back to another episode of the school register course. I'll commend all of you because you are doing great, and I know that there are more for you to design. There's also more for you to learn. Those of you who have submitted your assignment, kudos to all of you. Today we moving on to previously we did the home, we did the student registration list, and today we are moving on to this. This is what we are going to do today. We are going to create the register itself. You understand? This is where we have all been waiting for. So we are going to create a register format like this. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is I will first create, in fact, I will just teach you what you need to know. The rest you can do it on your own. So the first thing that I will do is I will have to create maybe a contact information here, so you can actually do it on your own. Maybe here will be contact information. I will just merge and center, and then I'll write the contact there. So I will type in the contact, and you put in the details. You understand? So maybe 0554400222. So like any digits that you want, 024 should be your details or your contact. So probably the school can contact you if any. Okay, so you can change the text, you can change the fill, you can fill in like this with a yellow color. So the best thing that we need to do, or what we need to do, you can see from the register, the one I already created here. You can see that here we have note here. You can do it yourself. Just look at it and see how you create it. And there's also attendance, there's class teacher, there's contact. This will be fetching the information from the home page. We will do all that. So from row 10, that is where I'm going to start. So I will have to create these particular details. I will need to start with serial number. You could see from here that we started from B. So let me say from here, I will say serial number. You understand? Then I will go forward and say names. Names, I will put them probably into brackets what we did the other time. Surname first. So say boys first. Then I'll just close it. Then I'll come here and I'll type in date of birth. In order not to confuse you, let me just make this place right. So with this one, I'll just have to extend it. You know how we do it. So just extend it. Let me also decrease this size because of the serial number is something that takes few digits. And then date of birth, I will increase it a bit. Okay, I will increase it a bit. So all that you need to do is that you realize the serial number takes from 10 to 13, and this also takes from 10 to 13, so as the admission number. So I forgot one here. Let me try and insert a column here. Sorry, let me insert a column here. So here will be, so it is 10 to 13, so I will just have to select up to 13 and merge and center. I will merge and center it, and then I will put it like this. Then I will do same here, 10 to 13, merge and center. I will put it in the middle. So here, merge and center as well. But here we are going to type admission number. So admission number, you understand? So this place, the admission number cannot contain it. So what I need to do is go to the home tab under font command, look for this, which we call orientation, how to change your text and all that. Click on it, and you can try rotating the text up like this. So just click on rotate text up, and then the text will be rotated for you in this way. So I'll reduce the font a bit, or you can do wrap text here, and then you have admission number there. So we are just going to do something from the template. So admission number is there, names, and then so we are good to go. Then we have the date of birth. The date of birth we need to select from here to we won't get to 13 because we'll put something under that place later, so you find out. So from 10, then we make it in the middle. We just have to make it that way. So we have our serial number, we have our admission number, we have our names, we have our date of birth, right? The next thing that we need to do is that on top here, let me show you something from the template. You realize that from JKLMNOP, it has been used for first week. So we will do the same thing. So we go like J sorry. So let me still cross check something here. Okay. So it's up to I. Okay. So I'm supposed to do something here. Let me unmerge. Sorry for that. I just want to match up with what I did. So let me also do this. So instead of dragging it the D, we are going to actually change everything. Sorry for the inconveniences. Okay, so you just have to D, E, F, G. So everything here, and then we merge and center. You understand? They all want to do. So up to the 13, we merge and center like this. Good. So I just want us to tally with what we have here. You can decide to do it how you want it, but I just want to tally with what we have here. So the next one will be H to I. Will also be the date of birth, but I will take it from 10 to 12. And then I'll merge and center. You understand? So I'll type in date of birth here. You hit enter. Then you center it like that. So when you are done, now JKLM, do you have it up to P? Yes, so JKLMNOP. So I will just make it up to P like this. You understand? So we'll just merge and center that place, and then we'll make it first week. Don't worry, I will teach you something simple to speed up this process. It's in this time. So under the first week, below this one too, which is the first week, we must have two subsections there. But I want us to do something. I want us to be dragging these columns closer to each other, because the column or the row is too long for what we have created. So we'll just have to be reducing it in this way. Hope you are seeing it. So the first week will come closer, like what we see now. So this is our first week. Then with the first week that we have here, we have how many columns? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you getting it? So I can make 1, 2, 3 here. I'll merge it, and then I'll make it month. And then this side, up to this side, I will also merge this one. And then this is where we'll be typing or giving the month. We'll come to that one later. So I'll put my semicolon here. You understand? So we have the month here. So we have the month here. That is for the first week. So we are dealing with the heading. We'll come back to the rest. Then up we selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. So we'll also do the same thing. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. And then we merge, and then we make it second week. So that is how it is. Make a second week. And I will teach you something later. So let's move on. I will teach you something later, because I don't want you to find yourself in a shape which will be difficult for you. So 1, 2, 3, it must be uniform. 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. You merge, and then you make it third week. You understand? So as usual, we are ending here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You merge and center. This is also fourth week. You understand? Good. So I just want to show you something right now. Now I want to copy this. I don't want to be typing anymore. I want to copy this. Then after copying this, I'll go to the next cell and then paste. Have you seen it? That is why I keep on telling you, you don't need to be working hard in Excel. I go here, then I copy it and paste. I'll go to the next one and I will paste it. Then I will move it to the next one. I will paste it. I don't have time to be doing typing. You understand? I already told you I'm lazy. I'm lazy, so I don't need to be typing. So you can build up to the number of weeks that you want. In my previous software, I made it up to 23 weeks. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will make it less than that because of the video. So this is second week. Now we need to change the ones that we duplicated. So I will make here fifth week instead of the fourth week. I will make here sixth week. I will make here seventh week. Sixth week. So here will be seventh week. Then I'll make here eighth week. Then I will make here ninth week, and then 10th week. I think I have to end with the 10th week because of for the purpose of the tutorial. You can make it as far as that you want to go. Because I've done this, let me make it 11th week. So we now have 11 weeks. Now what we are going to do right now is that if you check from here to here, I want us to do something quickly here. You understand? We don't need to always be trying to find out, so we will do something here. Now you can see that the row height here is 15. So I'll copy this one. If you want to find out the row height, just go to the home tab, click on format, and then go to row height. You understand? Go to row height, copy this. Now what I'm going to do is that I will select the whole column like this up to this side, the 11th week. So up to here, I guess so. So let's assume I am here. So I'll go to format, I'll go to row height. What I'm going to do is I'll make it 15. So with the 15, I want to tell the software to bring out everything together like the first one. So let's try this one and see. Okay, so let me check something once again. Column width, let me say if I make it 10 right now, let me see what will happen. Okay, so it's too much. So column width again, I want to make it automatically because we can't be doing that. So column width again, don't worry for wasting the time. I just want to make it very quick. So I think 3 will do. So now I'll select the whole thing here up to 11 here. So up to 11, and then go to format column width, and then let me make it 3. Let's see. Good. So you realize that after making it 3, all the columns are now together as we want it. I hope you can see that. Good. So we now come to the second week. As usual, the 3 cells we merge, and then we write or we type month there the same. So don't worry yourself, just copy. Come here to this box, paste. It will take shape in that. So we don't need to be typing everything word for word. Where's our Barter? So what I say. So you paste. You come here, 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 you paste, and you come to here, this side, you paste, and you come here, then you paste. You understand? Good. So guys, I'll pause here, and then we'll have another video in which we'll continue with this together. Thank you.